God is good, as you can see. Everybody, taste and see the victory my God has given me. Thank you for loving me. For every trial you brought me through. Thank you for saving me. Now I can shout glory to my everlasting King. Jesus, the King of Kings. You make my life so beautiful. See me shining now. Yeah. See me glowing now. Yeah, I shine for the world to see, to see. See me shining now. See me glowing now. Yes, I shine for the world to see, to see. Whatever is born of God overcomes the world. See, I am born of God, I overcome the world. Greater is He that lives inside me. See, I know I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. You give me strength so I can win. Give me the victory. Now I can shout glory to my everlasting King. Jesus, the King of Kings. You make my life so beautiful. See me shining now. Yeah. See me glowing now. Yeah, I shine for the world to see, to see. See me shining now. See me glowing now. Yes, I shine for the world to see, to see. I shine, I shine. So bright, so bright. In Him I have the victory. Yeah. I shine, I shine. So bright, so bright. In Him I have the victory. Whoa. See me shining now. See me glowing now. Yes, I shine for the world to see. Yeah. Oh, see me shining now. See me glowing now. Yes, I shine for the world to see, to see. Yeah.
Mix Wonders Magic.
Trying to let it all go, so I can freely follow. I know that I should cast my cares on you. Sometimes it's hard to let go. So I'll trust in your word for me, 'cause I know in you I am complete. Whatever it is, whatever may be, I know you'll never leave me. So I let go, let go. So I let go, let go. No more about no, let go, let go. So I let your praises. I've left all that behind, I'm following you high. There's no going back down, I'm holding on you tight. Nothing can separate me from your love. Nothing can take me away from you. So I let go, let go. So I let go, let go. No more about no, let go, let go. So I let go, let it take control. No more struggle. Let go and let God. Let go and let God. He'll be your rock and salvation. He'll be your strength and your rock. So cast your cares on Him. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Said I was signed, but now I see. Oh yeah, yeah. Said I was bound, but now I'm free. Oh yeah, yeah. Said he took the chains off of my feet. And you showed me that.
What's up, chat? What's up? What's up? Good morning. How you guys doing? Good morning, everybody. What's up, Eric? What's up, Sing? What's up, Mama Chas? Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing? Let me see the energies in the chat here right now. Let's go. Drop some energies in the chat.
Set the whole world is sinking on Santa, and the people are lifting you high. Set the whole world is sinking on Santa, and the people are here. Help me sing Hosanna, 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 singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Help me sing Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna. For what He's done, for what He's done. Hosanna. One time for my logo, my 10 over 10. Jesus be my logo. Can I hear in the man? Then I was found, I was free. Before I was blind, I was seen. Why won't I give you my praise? When you took all my shackles away. Imagine me being free. Trust in you now, totally. I said imagine me being free. Trust in you totally. Got the whole world singing Hosanna, and the people He lifting you higher. Yeah. Got the whole world singing Hosanna, and the people are here. Help me sing Hosanna, Hosanna, singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Help me sing Hosanna, Hosanna, for who you are, it's for who you are. The shackles on my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you, I just wanna praise you. And you broke the chain so I can lift my hand. I just wanna come on, I just wanna come on. The shackles on my feet so I can dance, yeah. I just want to praise, yeah. I just want to praise. And you broke the chain so I can use my hands, oh God. I just want to rob, yeah. Got the whole world singing Hosanna, and the people He lifting you higher. Yeah. Got the whole world singing Hosanna, oh, no, no. And the people are here.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica, and my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today, and why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays, Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang, and that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today.
What's up, Chad? Good morning. Welcome you in. Welcome to the YouTube live stream. What's up, Natalia? How you doing? Let's see what's here. Drop some energies in the chat. Ate Che, good morning. Happy Diwali to all Indians viewers. Yes, happy Diwali. What's up, gang? What's up? What's up, everybody? What's up, Coach RJ? What's up? How you doing? Gold move. Oh, 500 pips. Oh, today is quiet. It's quiet today, gang. Oh, ranging. 4 hours ranging here. Cool, interesting. 15 is ranging around the price. But we still have big candles. Wow. 15 minutes, move 234. Riz, how you doing? Good morning. All right. So, yeah, let me do the top down here, chat. Let me do some top down today. Weekly, the monthly, 11 days for monthly closure. So, the monthly, okay, we still have 11 days and 14 hours for this candle to close. And I believe this monthly candles is the bigger candles that we've seen so far, right? As you can see, we're just moving up towards to the upside, right? Move 5,000-6,000 pips on just 2 weeks on the month. All right. So the weekly, as you can see, we're still bullish. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it's going 10 candles forming bullish on price here. Right. 10 weeks already, chat. 10 weeks of bullish closure. Let's drop to the daily time frame. Okay, the daily time frame, we talked about this last Friday that after you re-break the high, we might see some 4,220 if you're gonna review the previous live stream last Friday, all right? And yeah, I talk about because of no top week closure, no bottom week too, right? And there is a high chance that you're gonna continue push down once you re-break the high and gonna close bearish, probably re-break the lows there. And as you can see, we form bearish. We have some wicks that we need to fill. I don't know if we're gonna fill this today, but yeah, let's see. But there is a high chance that we can have some resistance, resistance now. We have resistance and we can have some wick fills like this, probably closure and price, because this is the daily candle has no top wick first. We need to create a top wick enable for this candle to move down even further like this. You need to see this kind of candle. This is kind of top wick, right? So this top wick is indicate you that you're grabbing orders, you're grabbing liquidity on the onto the top side to move down even further, right? So that's the meaning of the top wick. You need top wick. So I'd say you have resistance now, right? And the support, daily support here is this 3,970 area. And the overall range we have is 3,500 something on the daily. Okay, if we're gonna drop down to the 4 hour time frame, so the 4 hour time frame has resistance up there, no top wick, no bottom wick. So the support is this, right? We have some consolidation here on price. We have I'd say one, two, three, four candles are consolidating with the range of how many pip range? We are the range of 500 pip range, right? 500 pip range here in the 4 hour time frame. So let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame here. 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the 1 hour time frame, we have some sort of market structure here. We have here resistance, and this is the support. And as you can see how the candles are printing side by side here. So you have levels here that you need to be aware of. Levels, resistance, and levels again. Resistance and levels again. Right? So let's see on the 30 minutes time frame if we're gonna see some clean range. Okay, so the 30, yeah, it looks clean because right now I'd say we are just ranging here on price. Resistance area, I probably gonna mark this as my support, right? But you have minor levels here that we need to be aware of. Levels. Right? On the 15, yep. Let's see. Let's use 15. Yeah, resistance, probably this is the resistance 4628. I'm gonna use this as my resistance 4628. And support, yeah, we have levels here, levels now, support. Yeah, so any closure here on price, any closure below, yeah, we might grab some sales. Yeah, any closure here, once you close below, yeah, we might we might grab some sales. So we stuck in the range here. We stuck on the range, 30 minutes candle range. And I'd say we can, grab some sales here at the top. So 4267. Once the candle top this 4267, yeah, I might grab some sales there because we have some structure right now. Resistance play, we have like this, right? Kind of low, kind of high, and then low again. You're pushing up. Then, yeah. So as you can see how the price moving once you top the resistance area, right? And we're just ranging here on price. So yeah. For now, we're gonna wait. 8 minutes for candle to close. 30 minutes about to close. 15 minutes is about to close. So yeah. It's gonna be interesting today. I'd say we have 258 pip range to move down even further. 1 hour is just consolidating on price, and we have the market structure now. We have high, low, and we create some high, and we're gonna probably make a new low to push down, right? Market structure. So yeah, let's see how this candle close and the 30 minutes close. All right, so yeah, good morning. Shout out to 41 viewers right now. How you guys doing? If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat and drop some likes. Chat, drop some likes and subs to the channel. We are ranging. Let's see on the BTC. Oh, BTC. Dang. We push up. And as you can see, right? We call this. I don't know if you guys took buys on the BTC, and yeah, I told you guys that this is gonna be a reaction zone on price, right? Exactly 1,400 area. And now we are on the 1,111. Okay. Damn. Pushing up. We're pushing up again on BTC. BTC daily now. Yeah, bullish. We retesting probably 115. 115, 114. Yeah, we might see some reactions. 113. Yeah. Because we just create some market structure highs and the lows and the highs and the lows. Probably on this, we might see some reactions. 113.5 or 114 to push probably down. Let's see. Right now, we're going to look on gold. We're going to look on gold. 30 minutes, 6 minutes for candle to close. Any questions, chat? Any questions? Let me know. Drop it in the chat. Questions, let me know. Drop it, drop it. Mm-hmm. 15. If this 30 minutes candle close, like probably like this, is small body closure. Yeah, we might have some impulse entry here on the re-break of the low. This is gonna be good to move down. 1 hour will move down. The next early closure will move down, and the 4 hour should move down here because you re-break the previous candle low. But I'm worried about on the 4 hour candle here because of no top wick open, right? So I'm worried about this. Okay, but you re-break the previous candle low. If this 4 hour candle close, probably, open, you grab orders there and you start to hover around here on price, but you have top wick. That's the good thing. But man, we need to worry because of no top wick open. Didn't grab orders there at the top. But let's see. Hourly it's gonna close. So yeah, it's gonna move. Once the hourly close move down, yeah, we might see some pops. Our YouTube community is increasing. Yeah, man. Grateful for that. Thank you, gang. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. I'm gonna call it a stream. Thank you. Yeah, shout out to 44 viewers right now. Thank you guys for the subs. We are near 1K subscribers. Let's go. Just support to the channel, gang. Share it with your friends. Just subs to the channel. Three minutes for candle to close. 3 minutes. Let's see if we're gonna grab the cells going down. But the idea is we need, at least this 15 close bearish. But if this 15 minutes close below, the 30 minutes kind of look like bearish closure below. Candles still big. The candles are still big. Mhm. 2 minutes for candle to close. 2 minutes, man. Weak bullish on the 30 minutes candle. Nice. That's gonna be nice. Eric, how you doing? How you doing, Eric? You grab some buys today? Grab some sells too? 40 seconds. Shout out to 50 viewers right now. How you guys doing? You know it. Yeah, man. I know you. All right, 20 seconds here, gang. 20 seconds here. 20 seconds. Early closure. 30 minutes and 15 is gonna close. Do, 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 do. 58 pips. 56. So the 15 didn't close below, right? Didn't close below. So we need to wait probably for closure below. We're just stuck in a range here. But once you probably re-break this previous candle low, yeah, we might grab some sells to move down. Ranging today. So my idea here is we can grab some cells here once we top 4267, right? And with the tight stop, with the it's not tight, 50 pip stop, right? Once you top there on the resistance 4267, that's my idea today. And 15 close below, and the 30 re-break the previous candle low for the entry, right? So let's see if we're gonna grab that today. 110 pips. Wow. Target was that for our top week. Yeah, the 4 hours, no top week. But good job, man. Good job. Good job. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Right, the 15 is kind of hovering around here. Mm-mm. Any closure, any closure here now, it's good for move down here. Really move down. Now we need to wait for candle to close, gang. I'm not gonna do the impulse because impulse probably, yeah, it's 72 pip stops. So yeah, no, we need closure now on the 15. So 15 is really good to use for entry and for the stops. W, yeah, W. 50 minutes is ranging here on price, man. Any tweets today? 12 hours ago, Trump will announce Colombia tariff rate. Colombian, okay. Speak to reports. China likes to want them to the US for extending its arm too far outside its border to make them ones on non-American companies. Mm. Ranging today, gang. Ranging. Chat, if you have any questions, all right, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Any questions? Drop it in the chat. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. 75 pips away to top the 4267. Holding buys 4238. Wow. 4238. Yeah. 200 pips already. Nice, nice. Yeah, it looks like clean traffic on the 30 minutes time frame. That's nice. 30 minutes candle pushing up. W. Do. Chat, can I see 20 likes in the stream? Just like the stream, gang. Like the stream, subs to the channel. 9 minutes for candle to close. Can we top 4267 now? Once we top 4267, we might see some huge reactions here. We might see kind of like this. Still holding my buy. Wow, you guys are holders. You guys are doing swing, huh? Good job. Good job. $15 minutes. Consolidations. It was also London Open volume time. Yeah, London Open is 11 a.m. in the morning on Dubai time. Right now, we're in the sessions. We are in the London session. Last week. Wow. Nice, nice. Nice. 8 minutes for candle to close. Man, we're just sprinting side by side here. I want this 30 minutes candle to top 4267 now. I want this to top 4267. How many pips? 60 pips away. So we need to see this kind of to push 4267. Stops kind of be 53 pips. Damn. Weak entries probably. That was nice. 7 minutes. Can we top now? You want that? 5 minutes for candle to close. We might see some pops here. Pops 4267. That's the for our top wick. For our flip. For our top wick. For our flip. Alright. Chat locked in here, chat. We might see some 4267 today. Locked in here, gang. Locked in. 4267. Here, it's pushing up. 47 pips away. Can you pops now? I want to see some pops today. Pops. 4 minutes. Man, I want to see these pops now. Towards 4267. We have volume. Volume today. Three minutes for candle to close. Damn, you need to top that 4267. You need to top 4267. Two. Cha, you can put sell stop if you want, okay, on the resistance. 15 minutes resistance here. You can put sell stop or you can execute automatically once it top. You wanna use sell stop, it's okay. If you wanna use the execution, it's totally fine. But we need to tap this 4267, the resistance, 15 minutes resistance. So once you tap that, the trade should be valid to move down because it's resistance area. The price is just consolidating here on price. Can we tap? Sell limit, sell stop, yeah. In MT5 is sell stop, so yeah. I believe in futures it was sell limit. Can we tap now? We have volume. Shout out to 48 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Sell stop price has to be below. Oh, okay. So sell limit, yeah. Sell limit. Yeah, sell limit there. Sell limit. It's same. Yeah, it's same. And we're gonna use the 15 minutes high here, okay? Once we top 55 pip stops. Yeah. I mean, for me, this is a resistance play that we always talk about. Resistance play on price. But we need to see that 4267 resistance play. I'm gonna show you where's that resistance play. Okay, in my journal, resistance play. Yeah, all of the trades here, resistance play. Boom. The same thing as you can see. The price stopping, resistance play, support play. You call it. It's the same. Yeah, resistance play. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, fade. For me, it's just resistance. Shout out to 50 viewers right now. Gang, make sure you like the stream here, right? Like the stream, subs to the channel. We are near 1K, road to 1K this month. Can we hit 1K this month? 15 minutes candle close. Now can we push 4267? Can we push? Damn. We might see some reactions here now. If this candle didn't top 4267, yeah, and then start to hover, start to move down again, yeah, we need closure below to take a sell. That's the second idea now. Boop, 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 boop. What's this price? 4263. Man. Top 4263 react. Hmm. Reactions. Doo-doo-doo. Damn, the 4 hour looks like we're gonna move up, huh? Oh, you have buy stop on the 15 re-break here. Yeah, that's good too. But you need to confirm the volume. Yeah, it's clean range. Once the candle closed above, that was clean. Right? Clean, clean here. Any closure here, yeah, was clean to move up. How many pip? Man, for 500 pip range. Damn. The current one. This one, huh? You're taking advantage of 36 pip. Yeah. And that was good idea too, but I'm not gonna take that. I'm not gonna take a buy stop here to take 38 pips. It's a no-no for me. It's a top of a range. So yeah. On the flip, okay. On the flip. So it was 60 pip range. Yeah. That was clean, it clean, but the stop should be below. Or if you wanna use the current candle stop, yeah, it should be here. Otherwise, it's gonna be a fake out candle to move down. Yeah, it closed above the range, but it's at top of the range, right? So, as you can see, if you're gonna read the range, let me tell you how to read the range, right? You have a range one here. This is the range one. Now we create some range two, right? And this one is gonna be a range three. And as you can see, it's a top of a range, right? For me, there's no high probability that this candle will top this. But we have volume, we have confirmation that we have volume. But for buys, I'm not gonna take buys here because it's range three already, right? It's range three. So I probably gonna take the sells on the resistance once you tap that. That's a good idea too. Because for me, what is valid is we have a market structure here on price, highs and the lows, and the highs and the low. And the price here is respected. As you can see, we're just ranging here on price. So yeah, that's my idea. But for buys, yeah, it was clean. If you guys, yeah, it's different for me. Perspective in terms of price actions, yeah, closure. So yeah, for me, I'm not, this is not my idea to take buys up. Mm. Buy should be a fresh, say fresh support form like this kind of move. This is kind of look good, look clean, looks clean. Re-break at the previous candle high. Yep, this is gonna be a nice trade, nice entry too. Yeah, 67 pip range advantage, and you have clean traffic towards to the upside. Yeah, that should be fine there. Yeah, because right now, yeah, we close above the range. You have range here, close above. But for me, it's right now it's the top of a range. We are in the top, right? So either you wait to top to the resistance to take a sell, or you wait to kind of this candle close above to take a buy. So yeah, You need to ask yourself every single trade. You need to ask yourself if this kind of trade is really valid to push up or is not. Right. So for me, I always ask myself, is this kind of resistance should be valid to move down? I'd say 80% yes, because we move down. We create some structure, we move down. We retest, we move down. We retest, we move down. So now we're retesting and we know that we're just ranging here on price. We kind of move down here. That's your advantage. That's our advantage. That's called data, right? That's called data. So you have a data, you follow the data, you trade the plan, right? You have a plan, you trade the plan. That's the idea, right? So yeah, that is always gonna follow every single day. You need to have at least plan every single day where you're gonna put your stop. What is your plan? Where we if the candle close above, what's gonna happen? What we gonna trade, like this, like that, blah blah blah. So yeah, I mean that's the idea. So right now we top 4263 and we kind of have reactions, and the price is printing side by side. And if this next candle didn't top 4267, yeah, we need to wait for the candle close below now to take a sell like this. Yeah, W. Oh, shout out to 58 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Welcome to the YouTube live stream. Make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel, and if you guys want to follow me on Instagram for more trading content, link is in description below. Yep, congrats. Ranging today, ranging game. Yeah, it's Monday too, man. It's Monday today. It's Monday day. So yeah, man, the Monday is a chill day to the market. Monday. Yeah, Monday gang. But any close above here, it's clean. Any close above, it was clean. Retesting the resistance to move up. That's gold. Yeah, that's the plan. Yeah. Damn. Plan the trade the plan. Let's go. Orb. Wow, orb. Eric, are you activated here on price? Are you activated on buys here? 3 minutes for a candle to close. If this candle re-break the previous candle high, yeah, we might see some pops here towards to the upside. 3 minutes. Remove already. Waiting on the tops, yeah. We're gonna wait to top. We're gonna wait to top and react. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Tung, tung, tung. 30 minutes gonna close. Yep. Du-du-du-du. All right, can we push through now? 4267. Can we push through? 4267 here. Can we see some pops here? Can see some. Can we see some? Yeah, let's get that 1K subs so I can get a free fun day. Wow. Yeah, if we reach 1K subs, we can have some, raffle from Philip. Philip, you know the deal. All right, 15 minutes candle close. Damn. Side by side today. It's Monday. It was Monday. Can we top 4267 now? uh, looks like celery. Yeah, it looks like celery, but it's top of a range. I don't want to take buys there. Celery. Yeah, always reacting on 4263. Damn. If the candle pushing down, yeah, we're gonna wait for candle to close below. Just ranging on price. We just ranging. All right, we're pushing. Can we tap 4267 now? Re-break the highs. Might pops up. Right, chat. We are topping 4267. Activated. Yeah, nice. If you're activated here, that's the advantage. 48 pips advantage. All right, we're pushing up, chat. Be ready here. Be ready. How many pips away? 25 pips away, gang. 25 pips away. Can we top? Can we top that? Can we top that, chat? All right. Do, 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 do. Damn. Don't react there. Top 427. 4267. And then react. You need to top 4267. And then react. All right, one more pops. All right, one more pop here. Chat, be ready here. One more pops. And we're gonna be activated here. One more pops here. 15 pips away. Come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. Push up. Come on, Goldie. Not yet. One more top. 5 pips away. One more re-break. Damn. Game. Oh. That was nice reactions there. Holy. Oh. Damn, can you look at that? It didn't top 4267, bro. Ah. I didn't top my levels too on the... I didn't top my levels too. Damn. That was a nice sell entry there, chat. But it's okay. No FOMO. Damn. Can you look at that? Holy. 54 pip move in just one 5-minute candle. 60 pip move. Holy. Can you look at that? Yeah, move without us. Damn. That was sad. Yeah, no FOMO, chat. No FOMO. No FOMO for me. It's okay. It's part of, it's part of a game. Still didn't top. If I put there 30 minutes levels, yeah, should the level should be at the top here. And the level should be here. The 4 didn't flip. Right, the 1 hour top resistance. I know it's 4266, but should top 4267, 4266.5, it's okay. Right, 4266.6. And if you guys got some sales there, congratulations. If you got the sales here at the top 4266.1, yeah. Congrats. Damn. Huge reactions now. The candles flip as you can see. Holy. Damn. Oh, who got the sales there, Chad? The top. Let me know in the chat. It's 5 pips away to top the zone. To top my yeah, 5 pips away here. 5 pips away. Damn. Yeah, that's the idea there. Once you top 4266, 4267, it might react because of consolidating on price here. Because of this and this. You top here, you might see reactions, heavy reactions, and we see that heavy reactions on price. It's okay, no FOMO. No FOMO. 81 pips now in profit. Hello? Check, check. I think Mike is good. Check. Check. Yeah, I'm good. Mike is good. Yeah, Mike is good. Damn chat. 82 pip. Holy. 82 pip move and we didn't grab some cells there. 82 pip. Mm-hmm. Chappy, it's not on my side. Just refresh the YouTube. refresh your YouTube and probably it's gonna be okay. Wow, shout out to 65 viewers right now. How you doing? Damn, 65 viewers here. Holy chat. We're peaking 65 now. W man, W. Yung mic na phone mo. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, in my side, it's good too. Shout out to 65 viewers. How you doing? Yeah, man. Thank you, gang. Thank you, gang, for tuning into the live stream. Nah, if you got some cells here at the top, W's in the chat. Almost 5 pips away to be activated here. But didn't top 92 pips in profit. Holy. Holy. Yeah, make sure you subs to the channel, gang. Subs to the channel. Like the stream. Share it with your friends. We're road to 1K subs this month probably. If you're gonna hit that, man, that's big dubs. 65 viewers. Holy. Damn, 66 viewers right now. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to you. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. Damn. Damn, 70 viewers right now. Woo. Chat, how you doing? 70 viewers. Holy. Damn, react on the 15. Yeah. Who got some cells here, chat? On the top. Who got some cells? Some of you guys got some cells there. Wow, congrats, Kelly. Mm-hmm. Nice reactions there on 4266 on the dot. Damn, we moved down heavy. Holy. Didn't top 4267 chat. And we move 130 pips now, 140. Holy smokes. Right now we're gonna wait for our closer. 1 hour is about to close in 8 minutes. Yeah, no FOMO. Yeah, no FOMO. No FOMO. So now, okay, we tapped the range already. Okay, we tapped the zones there. And now you need to see this kind of move. Once you tap that, you need to see this tap the 4225. Okay, otherwise, if this candle, if this price hovering around here and start to probably, I'd say, make a new support here, there is a high chance that we can pop up towards to the upside here. So yeah, are you using Streamlabs? Yeah, I use Streamlabs for the chat. $7. Yeah, no FOMO, right? No FOMO here. If there's no trade on this session, yeah, I might drop some trade on the NY tonight. Kaya ba din ba yung broker ni Raja Banks? No, not yet. Not yet. I use Erante for the live account. And yeah, funded account. I use normally funded account and small live account. Yeah, the top wick. Yeah, this might the this I'm worried about the top wick on the 4, right? And I do the top down here on the. Let me do the top down once again here. Give me a second. So the 4 hours is about to close. Let me do the top down here. Let's start with the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, as you can see here, give me a second. Yeah. So the daily, as you can see, we have resistance form now, right? We have resistance form on price. And I'd say there is a high chance that we can have some wick fills today. But the problem, I'm worried about this top wick. We need to see top wick re-break the current candle high and then move down even further. That's gonna be the idea on the daily. Okay, and if we're gonna drop down to the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame is consolidating here on price, but we have a good range to move up. You have, let's say, now resistance, or I am gonna use this as my resistance and then probably support, right? And as you can see, how this candle close, no top wick. I'd say, yeah, we re-break the previous candle high, and we close bullish. Now we open no top wick. We close probably no top wick, right? On the next 4 hour candle, there is a high chance that we can grab orders and move down. So that's gonna be the daily top wick and the 4 hour top wick. That's the four. Okay, that's the four. That's the idea. But if the four, okay, if the four grab orders to the downside, there is a high chance that the 4 hour time frame for our candle gonna flip, push up, and then the daily time frame it's gonna flip bullish, retesting the resistance again. Okay, so that's the four, and that's the daily. The hourly time frame it's just consolidating, as you can see, right? Any close below, it's good for sell here. So the 15 and 30. Well, let's see. I mean, I think there's no any closure below. But yeah, that's the idea. The first idea, all right. The first idea is gonna be sell at the top 4267 or 4266.5 there on the dot, but didn't push through. We didn't activate it on price, but it's okay. No FOMO. So right now, if you guys, we need closure below to take some sells. So yeah, let's see. What's the app you are using to draw in your charts? Thanks. It was Zoom. You need to open a Zoom to use the tool. Yeah, most probable things might see, as you can see, no, it's reacted, right? The 15 minutes candle is reacting on support. So there is a high chance if you retest the high here, the resistance play, it's not gonna, it's invalid already. Okay, once you tap, see the reactions. Now we're forming a new support. Once you tap here, it's gonna be invalid. Why? Because the price is creating a lower high, higher high, higher low to move up. So you have a kind of low, kind of high, kind of low, kind of high, kind of low, kind of high. Right? So tapping the resistance there, it's low probability now. Because if you wanna range, because this kind of setup is a ranging setup, right? So once you tap that, the price action should move down here, and we'll take buys here. And the one stop again 4267 resistance, you are gonna take sells. It's just a ranging on price, but it's a big range to trade, right? Doesn't make sense. So yeah, that's the idea on that setup. TP thank you, coach, for You're welcome, W. W. Do, 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 do. Damn, that was tough price actions. Re-breaking. 30 minutes kind of looks like exhaustion week here. So yeah, chat. The 30 man. Okay, the 30 week bearish. 15 exhaustion week here, topping the zone. Okay, so this is gonna be a valid zone already to take a sell once they kind of close. Okay, so I'm gonna keep an eye on this, right? On probably on pre-NY, right? This is gonna be the zone. Okay, this is no tradable zone. This is no tradable zone, and any close above the range, it's good for buy because of clean traffic here on price. This one is a clean traffic. Any close below here, it's good for sell. Right? It's a clean traffic, right? The green zone is a clean traffic. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna eye on this. But let's see. Pre-NY probably. I'm gonna grab the trade. So yeah, chat. I might call it a stream here. Thank you gang for tuning in to the live stream. Man, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. No trade for me today. I might drop some signals on the Telegram tonight, and yeah, I'm gonna for the YouTube gang. Thank you, chat, for tuning into the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow again, and yeah, love and wisdom to you all, chat. W's in the chat, gang. W's all the way out. Peace and love, everybody. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. I'm out here.
Shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I against me if it isn't you? Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Did you realize that you were a champion? This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Did you realize that you were a champion? Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Like this.